Hello everyone. I will introduce a new and easy to make knit from the Cheviot series in this video. The images displayed here showcase some knits from this series, all of which can be found in a playlist at this link. This knit is quite tight as it is knitted loosely from a thin yarn with hooks that are thicker than usual. The pattern consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. To knit this pattern, you'll need an even number of loops and 4 edge stitches. Outside the pattern, we begin with 2 rows of 1 by 1 rib stitch. The knitting process involves adding 2 new loops on the right side row and knitting them in pairs on the wrong side. It's a simple and delightful pattern to work with. The first row is on the right side. After the 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is, pull up a long loop 2 rows down by catching the working thread from the bottom up. Then slip 1 loop as if to knit. Again, pull up a long loop 2 rows down and slip 1 loop as if to knit. Pull up a loop and slip 1 as if to knit. The second row is on the wrong side. After the 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is, knit 2 loops together through the back, and purl 2 loops together through the back. Again, knit 2 loops together through the back, and purl 2 loops together through the back. I showed you this new tight knit fabric with a unique texture and characteristic relief, making it an ideal choice for clothing and accessories in any season. I hope you find a use for it in your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.